up everyone. These are the IK70s, and I've been making a new tool to try and pick them while wearing them. We all know the key doesn't work, done that before, but it does lock. So that's it, double locked. Will not open the double lock. Now I could tension this and pick that, but I thought, try this. Get a little wire. Nice little bend, little flat end on top. So what you do is in, there you go. That's now I'm tensioning it. So now I just kind of, I mean it is hard, I'll give you that. Yeah, falling out. Try one more, put it back in. Right, tension. That's it, double lock off. Now we use this flat end side. Come inside them, in the cuffs. And if I've done it right, maybe I need a bit more work. There we go. Yeah, that's done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.